Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go over an example when we're gonna factor trinomials using diamond and box method. So first thing we're gonna do is we wanna make sure that the trinomial we wanna factor is in standard form. So it is in standard form. We have 3x squared plus 14x minus 5. Then second thing you want to make sure is you want to check whether any of those three terms we can factor out. So notice that over here there is nothing we can factor out. So we're gonna continue with the method, diamond and a box method. So the first thing again we're gonna do is we're gonna label A, B, and C. So the coefficients only, 3 is A, plus 14B, and negative 5 is C. So we're gonna factor only, we're gonna label only the coefficients, not the x. So now the next step is I'm gonna draw a diamond or an x, as some people call it. And on the top, we're gonna write A times C. Okay, so on the top comes A times C, and on the bottom comes B. So A times C, we have 3 times negative 5, which is minus 15. And on the bottom, we have a B, which is 14. Okay, so now I want to find two numbers that will multiply. I'm just going to write multiply to negative 15 and add to 14. So let's see. If you take a number, let's say we're going to take 1 times negative 15, we're going to get negative 15. And then 1 minus 15, we're gonna get negative 14. So that's not gonna work. We wanna have a positive 14. But what we can do, we can actually take negative 1 times positive 15. So we get negative 15. And negative 1 plus 15, because we wanna sum to add, we wanna have a sum of 14. So that is equal 14. Okay, so looks like negative 1 and 15 are gonna be the numbers that we're gonna work with. So we have negative 1 and 15. All right, so once I have those numbers, what am I gonna do next? So next, we're gonna create a box. So I'm gonna do the box. Sorry, the box is not very straight. And now what we're gonna do is the first number over here, the first term, first monomial over here, we're gonna write in the first, on the top left corner, I would say. So 3x squared goes here. And then the last one, negative 5, is gonna go on the bottom right. So now, and then negative 1 and 15, we're gonna write over here diagonally, negative 1, but we're gonna write x next to it. And we're gonna write 15 over here, and we're gonna write x next to it. So now let's see what I can factor. We have, I'm gonna use this color. Notice that 3 and negative 1, I cannot factor any number. So I'm gonna go this way. I can factor out from 3 and 15. I can factor out positive 3, and I can factor out x. And then 3x times what number gives me 3x squared? In other words, 3x squared divided by 3x, what is it gonna be? So it's gonna be x. Notice that x times 3x, it's 3x squared. So 3x times what number will give me 15x? So 3x times 5. 5 times 3x is 15x. So let's continue. X times what number gives me negative 1x or negative x? So it's going to be negative 1. And notice the negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to just write down what we got as two factors. We get 3x minus 1 times x plus 5. And that is gonna be the answer. So let me just write it here. So equals 3x minus 1, this is x, times x plus 5. All right, so we did factor the quadratic expression using diamond and a box method. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.